Hi, grade 2. Today I will answer the evaluation book, for October exam. But before I will go to answering the evaluation, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. This is the evaluation book that we have with your textbook. Let's do it together. Here is the first, this is the first unit, lesson 1, grading that we took it before. Here we say, what if this picture refers to? Refers to goodbye. So I put here goodbye. Okay, it will be here goodbye. What if this? This is the desk. This is called desk. What is this? This is called teacher. Okay, this is teacher. So I write teacher here. What is this? This is a student. This is a student. This is a student. This is a student. So here we have goodbye, saying here goodbye. This one, this picture is refers to goodbye. This picture refers to desk. Another one refers to this one refers to teacher, and this is for student. Let's go to another item here in this book in this task. Let's go to another item. Go to activity 2. What if this here we say here we have words and we have a sentence that we must put the suitable word here in the suitable place. Here we say, hello, my name is. So here you write your name. I sit on a what? I sit on a chair, as we know during the this lesson. Sit on chair. My books are on the desk. Without thinking, the books is on what? On the desk, not on the ground, not on the chair, on the desk. My space is kind. My teacher. Here is my teacher. I say here my teacher is kind. Okay. I love my teacher. Let's go to another item here. There is a review on Unit 1 and Unit 2 and Lesson 1 and Lesson 2 in Unit 3. That is for your October exam. Let's go to another one, which is class performance. Listen and circle the correct word. What if this? I'm using this Iman fan. During the lesson, we know this is a fan. What if this? It's what? It's the cat. You are clever pupils. What is this? It's a hat. What if this is a man? Let's go to another one. Here is we say, I see a man. Which one is man here? This one. I see a map. Which one is map? This one. I see a cab. This a cab. I see a desk. This one. I see a student. This one. I see a hat. This one. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, a day in my classroom. Here is we have chair, goodbye, and map. There are 20 students in my classroom. In my classroom have 20 students. There is a space on the wall. What? There is a map. All of us know the map, and later when we took social studies, we know the map in geography. Okay, here is map. I sit on a chair. At the end of the day, I say goodbye to my friends and my teachers. Here we say, what is this? It's chair. So I write it here with text. Write this. This is called chair. Chair. Here we say cat. So here is we say here. Let's go to here is subject plus verb plus object. And the rule that I keep with you during the grades, we till this rule. So here we must when we do this one, we must must apply this rule on this sentence. What can I apply this rule? First, I search or I select the subject. It will be here this. It will be here this is. To be here, this is the subject, verb, and object. A cat. This is a cat. Okay, this is a cat. Okay, this is a cat. Let's go to the next sentence. Here we say, this is a man. 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 Let's go to another one. She's a teacher. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Okay. She is a teacher. Okay. She is a teacher. So here we have this is a cat. This is a man. She is a teacher. Let's go to another one. Now we know how to answer these questions in the exam. This is a sample of what we will be in exam. Here is we have teacher and here is we have a man. I think we know how to do it. Here I write this again. Here's subject plus verb plus object. What can I do it? It will be here. It is a cat. It is a cat. Here is the subject, verb, and object. It is a red. It's red cap. It's red cap. It's a red cap. Let's go to another one here. This is a fan. It will be here. It's a red cap. It's a red cap. It's a red cap. So here is subject, verb. Here is subject. Here is this called. This is subject. This is subject. We would like to use this is subject. Subject here. This one subject. This is the verb. Then the object. A red what? A red cap. Here is a red cap. Red cap. This is a red cap. So the answer, it will be here. This is a red cap. Let's go to another one. This is a fan. This is a fan. This is a fan. Okay. The last one. He is a teacher. 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 So here we have this. It's a red cap. This is a fan. He is a teacher, and this is the rule that we use it here in this question to answer this question. Okay, this is the rules that apply in this question. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have what is this? It's desk. So I write here desk. Like this. It's called desk. Write it like this. This desk, and this called man. To be written like this. Okay. How can I write it? Here is subject plus verb plus object. So the answer, it will be it's a cat. I answer one of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. You can now know how to apply this rule on this sentence. It will be here. It is a cat. It's a cat. I leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here we say, what if the missing letter here? It will be here P. Here is fig, I. Here is I. If we keep the vocab, you can answer this question easily. Okay. Here it will be here fig. So the missing letter here, it will be I. Here it will be here pin. It will be here hin. It will be here 10. Here it will be 10. Let's go to another one here. Here it will be, I put my pins in what? In my pencil case. My teacher lights on the board. It will be here, board. I put my books in my bag. Open the window. Let's go to another one here. Here we have, choose the correct answer. What if this is, I'm listening to saying, it's that is a window. Are clever people because we learned during the lessons. It's that is a window. What is this? Pencil case. That is a pencil case. So I select this one. What is this? This is a board. So I select this one. Here we say trace the bag. Here, so here is we trace the bag and then answer the question. This is my bag. I have red crayon. I put it on my what? In my pencil case. It will be here in my pencil case. My pencil case is red. Let's go to another one here. Here is also the rule of subject plus verb plus object. I do one of them and I will two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as So how can I answer this question? It will be that is a board. It will be here. That is a board. That is a board. That is a board. Okay, that is a board. Let's go to another one. It will be here what? It will be here. That is a pencil case. That is a pencil case. That is a pencil case. A pencil. That is a pencil case. Pencil case. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself is a homework. Okay. Let's go to another one. To another question. Here we say, what can I put here? What is this? Is this here? It will be here. Hen. It will be here. Pin. It will be here. Pin. Pig. Zip. And what here? And here is 10. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here is this is a pencil case. This is a pencil case. Called pencil case. Pencil. This is a pencil case. And I would like to say something grade 2. If you want if in the exam want you to write a sentence, say this is a something. Okay, so this is a simple sentence and can't misunderstanding here. So to avoid the spelling, the wrong spelling, and the grammar structures, so can say this is a something. It's an easy and simple sentence to be able to be correct and easy to corrected by the one who corrects the exam, give you the full mark. Okay, so it's easy to do so. Okay, this is a bag. Okay, this is a bag. So here it is. This is a bag, and this is a pencil case. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, look and write. This is a window. Are clever people. This is a ruler. This is an eraser. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here is a board. This is board. This is a door. This is a bag. Like all of us know this. I will leave this to do it by yourself and answer most of them. Here in this part, we have a sides of we can write the sides that have 4 sides. I think square. We know here the circle. Here we draw square. Here we draw square, and here we draw triangle, and here we draw a circle. Okay, then write your name: circle, square, and triangle. Let's do this exercise together. What if this circle are clever people? So I select this one by this one, triangle this one by this one, square this one by this one. Okay, you can redraw it here and do as the same as we do before. Here is have subject plus verb plus object. Let's do this exercise together. Here we say this is a blue triangle. 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 Okay, this is a blue triangle. The next one, it will be here. This is a red circle. This is red circle. This is a red circle. This is a red circle. Okay, this is a red circle. And as we know that the color is it takes the function, or we can describe it as an adjective. We say red circle, blue square, yellow bag, and so on. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we say what is this? It's a dog. So this is a dog. So I select this one. This is what? This is a bun. This is a cup. This is a books. Let's go to another one. Here is dog, son, dog. What can I write dog here? Dog written like this. Okay, dog. Here is dog. So the missing letter here, it will be G-O. It will be here O, dog. Here is sun, written like this. I have here missing letter U. Here is books. I will write it here for you. Books. Here is books. Here is box. O. Here is fox. Here is here fox. Say here books and fox. Here is fox and books. Here is books and fox. Books and fox. Here is bin. To be here bin. Not bin. We say here, some of you, some saying that is recycle bin, not recycle bin. Okay. Here is cup. So here we have dog, we have sun, we have books, we have books. We have here dog, sun, books, cup, bin, and fox. Let's go to another item here. Another question. What if what is this animal? It will be what I see a fox. What if this I see a box. I see here a cup. Okay, here is to say. So here we answer. Here we make rearrange. It will be here. This is a fox. This is a box. This is a cup, and so on. Okay, I think now we know how to do it. Let's match this sentence together with suitable answer. Here is this is a desk. Which one is desk? This one. I select this one by this one. I have 5 balloons. I can count it before I will select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one by this one. I have 1 bag. Which one bag? This one. I have 4 rulers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one by this one. I have 2 pencils. This one by this one. I have 3 books. This one by this one. Let's go to another one. How many bags are there? It will be here 2 bags. How many cats are there? It will be here. This is a 1 cat only. Okay, so here I can count and write the number here. I think now we know how to do it. Here it will be here grapes, written like this, grapes. Here grapes. So if we keep the vocab, you can answer this question in correct way. Here is grapes. Here is cave. Here is cake. Here is snake. Here is snake. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. I think rearrange, I answered 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is the question. What can I put it? I would like to say that when we make a question, we must put the question mark at the end of the sentence, okay? In the regular or in the simple sentence, we use subject, verb, object. In the question, I replace the verb instead of subject, like this one. How many pencils are to be here? How many pencils are there? Okay, how many pencils are there? The next one. There is one cake. Let's go to another one. Here is what I write here, snack. It will be here, snack. There is lake. I say here 5 cakes. Do we hear 5 cakes? It will be here 1 fan. Here is 2 rulers. So here it will be here 2 rulers. Here is 1 fan. If we use 1, it means this thing is what is singular, not adding s to the noun. Okay, it will be here 1 fan. Here is 5 cakes. Okay, now we know how to do this by yourself. Let's go to another one. I will leave this to do it by yourself. We know how to do it. Okay, let's go to the last unit that we be in your exam, lesson 1 and lesson 2, which is unit 3. Okay, here we use the action. What is this picture refers to? Here I say here write. I can say here write. I can say here write. I can say here play. will be here play. It will be here play. It will be here read. So this is the action that we use it in classroom. Okay. Here is read. Can say here read. So we have here read. We have here read. We have here write, play, and read. Let's go to another one here. Here we have the pictures and we have the sentence refers to every picture. Color the picture. Which one colors the picture? This one by this one. So I select number 1 by this picture. Sit down. Sorry, stand up. To be stand up. Which one is stand up? This one stand up. Open the door. Which one is opening the door? This girl opening the door. Clean the desk. This one, or clean the table. This one by this one. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, what can I do with? Subject here, it will be I clean my class. Here I draw a picture and so on. I leave the rest to do it by yourself as a home. Here is we have what this boy doing. Here it will be here. Here we will draw a circle. So this one, what this boy doing? Draw a circle. It will be here. Draw a circle. Draw. Here it will be here. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. The next picture, it will be here what? It will be here clap. It will be here clap. When we say clap your hand, okay? Clap your hand means we clap with our hand. This one, what this pupils doing? Here is opening the book. Here is what he's doing, opening the book. Here is open your book. I think we see here is the picture. Open the book. Open the book. You open your book. Here is open your book. This pupils open your book. The last one, it will be here, sit down. The last one, it will be here, sit down. Sit down. It will be here, sit down. Okay, here we have sit down. Here we have clap, draw a circle, open the book. Open your book. Let's go to the next activity. It will be your book. It will be here what? Open your book. Place your hand. It will be here. Raise your hand. When you answer, raise your hand. Place a circle. Draw a circle. Let's go to another one, another picture. Close the book. Which one? Close the book here. This one. So I select this one by this one. Play with your friend. This one. Raise your hand. This one. When we're answering, when we want to answer, I raise your hand before answering. Write your names. This one by this one. Here we say, I stand up. Here is, he is singing a song. So what can I put here? Here is subject, verb, object. It will be here subject. I draw a circle. Raise your hand. Close your book. Let's go to another one here. I space, I close the window. She's reading a book. So we must take care. We have verb to be. The verb to be, it will be the continuous tense. And is are plus verb plus ing. So here we have is. So here I put reading here. I can't put reading here. Why? Because here I don't have verb to be adding ing form. So ing form must have a helping verb, which is am, is, are plus verb plus ing. Or when we use the past continuous later, was were plus verb plus ing. Okay, so we must adding ing to any verb without adding helping verb before this main verb. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here it will be the rearrange. It will be here subject, verb, object. What can I do this sentence? Here it will be I draw a picture. Clap your hand. Okay, I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here, what is this children doing? The first one doing what? Cleaning. The next one is I draw a picture. Okay. Let's do this exercise together. It will be here subject plus verb plus object. You can saying this, we are bored from this rule. I would like to board and board. Why? Because this rule, if we know it very well, you can answer this question and have a full mark in. Okay. So here we have subject, verb, object. So can I? So here I know this rule. I apply this rule in the sentence. So here, where is the subject here? It will be I. Where is the verb? See. I see a cat. So here is subject, verb, object. Okay. Here is I see a cat. I see a cat here. Here is I see a cat. Let's go to next one. It will be here. This is a map. This, it will be here. This is a map. This is a map. The next one, I answer 3 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Now we know the rule, can apply the rule at the rest of the exercise. It will be I sit on the chair. Here it will be I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. Open the window. Open the window. Here it will be I draw a circle. I draw a circle at the end of the thing. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Okay. I think now by answering the evaluation booklet, I think now we don't have any question in the exam without answering. Okay. I think now all of us know how to answer in the exam. Okay. All of us know now how to answer in the exam. It's easy to get full mark. It's not difficult to do so. So here it will be I space a picture. Here I draw a picture. Space your hand to speak. It will be here raise your hand. Space your name in your notebook. Write your name. Let's go to another one. Here is we say I space on a chair. So here is the expression we know during the learning lesson unit 1 and unit 2. It will be here sit on the chair. I space a song. I sing a song. The boy is a space a book. The boy is reading a book. Okay. Don't say singing. Don't say standing, because here is the book reading. It's not singing, not standing. So I space my desk. I clean my desk. There are spaces squares on the board. There are 3. So here when we have S. So if we say here 1, it's wrong. Why? Because as we know that 1 is singular and don't add an S to the noun. But if we have more than 1, it will be adding S to the noun like this one. It will be here 3 squares, 3 triangles, 3 circles, and so on. Okay. So here is space a triangle on the board. Sing, draw, open. It will be here draw. I space with my friends after school. I play without thinking. I have an eraser. Why here I select N? Because E is from what? E from the vowel sound. Oh, can you remember me with the vowel sound? Can you remember with it? I can remember with you. The vowel sound, it could be A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Take what? Take N. Like say an egg, an apple, an eraser. So here called what? Here is called the vowel sound. Let's go to answer the last one here in this part that we examine, that we will be in your October exam test. I raise my hand to speak, or I write my name. Here, raise your hand. So here the answer it to be I raise my hand to speak. What this boy doing? Clap your hand. Here we have is it 3 parents or 3 rulers? No, it will be here 3 rulers. So I select which one? This one. Here we say this is a triangle or square. No, it's a square. Why? Because we have 4 sides. Because I know that the triangle has 3 sides, but the square have what? 4 sides. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is this? I have an eraser. So this is an eraser. What this girl doing? She is singing a song. So the answer it will be I sing a song. Let's go to another one here. Here we say what this boy doing? I draw a circle. So I select this one. What this girl doing or boy doing? Open the window. So I select this one. What this child doing? I color the picture. Here coloring the picture, not try draw a cat. So what is the what's the message letter here? It will be here A. Here is it will be here cat. It will be here fan. It will be here map. It will be here cup, bin. It will be here pin, dog. It will be here dog. Here we have here we have dog. Here we have bun. We have bun and bin. I think this is in is correct. Is put here I because here is pin and here is bun. Here is hin. Here is sun. Here is pin. Here is 10. Here is zip I. Here is fig. Here is fox O. Here is O books. Here is books. So here it will be cat, fan, map. Dog, here it will be here dog, pin, cup. Here it will be fox, book. Here is fox, books, and sun. Fox, books, and sun. Fig, bun, hin. Here we have zip, tin, and pin. Okay. I think now this is the last question here in this part that we will be in your October exam test. I think this we end from this. So next class we will start by unit 4. We will answer unit 4. Today I stop here in this part. I hope to best of luck of you. I hope to you to be best of luck for you in answering your October exam test. I hope to benefit from the items that we review today. I hope best of luck you and have get full marks in English, and saying Miss Iman review every item in your exam test, and I would like more and more sharing on my channel to be famous, and I know by many people. Okay, I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot, until you meet again. Goodbye.